Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1949 to discover Kentucky lemon pie. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. Got another quickie for you. This is easy, but before I start, today I am starting my Thanksgiving series. I'm gonna give you desserts, I'm gonna give you main dishes, I am gonna give you a cocktail, of course. We're gonna have fun. So today we are starting with a super easy pie because it doesn't always have to be pumpkin, although I am gonna give you an amazing pumpkin pie during the series. But today, Kentucky lemon pie. This comes together so easy, it is different, it is fabulous, and you're just gonna love it. So here we go. I have in my happy little mixing bowl 5 eggs. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I am gonna beat these eggs. Okay, all beaten. So you want them foamy, you want them light, you want to actually go for just a few minutes just to make sure that they are well mixed. Okay, then we're just going to put our beater aside. And we are just going to add some super easy ingredients. First thing we're going to add is 1.5 cups of white corn syrup or light corn syrup, depending on what part of the country you're from. And I did my trick. I always spray my measuring cup with cooking spray. So anything sticky, corn syrup, honey, maple syrup, whatever you have me measuring will come right out. Okay. Next, 1 cup of sugar. And we're almost done, if you can believe that. By the way, my oven is on to 375, and we'll get to the pie crust in just a minute. I have juice of 2 lemons. You definitely want fresh here. This comes out to about 1/2 cup, depending on your lemons. And then make sure you get all the seeds out. And then I have a rind of 1 lemon. Now here's the thing with the rind. Before I add it in, I use a microplane, which really is great for rinding a lemon. If you don't have one, you can use a handheld cheese grater. That will work perfectly too. Now here is my lemon afterwards. As you can see, I just took off the outer peel. You don't even want to go near the white, which is called the pith, P-I-T-H, because that's pretty bitter. You just want all the flavor in your lemon rind, which is right here. And in it goes. Whoop. Don't want to miss any. Now, we're going to go ahead and beat this. And you want to make sure this is very well mixed. Here we go. Okay, there's your filling. So now our filling is here and we are ready to go. So this is how easy this pie is. I have an unbaked pie shell. You can get the kind you roll out and you put in a pie plate, which is what I've done. Or you can get the kind that's already frozen in a pie plate, or you can make your own. But you know how much we love easy here on Yester Quickies. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it one final little stir, and just pour the filling right into it. Now you don't want to poke holes in the bottom because your pie filling will come out. So we're just going to go just like this. Okay, and this pie is going to cook in 2 stages. First, it's going to go in a 375 oven on the bottom shelf. Then after 10 minutes, you're going to lower your temperature to 350, and you're going to bake for an additional 30 to 40 minutes, just until when you shake your pie, it's solid. And then we're gonna put it out to cool, and we're gonna be back when all of that happens. You're gonna be so happy. Okay, our lemon pie is done. So I took it out of the oven. I let it sit just out on a cookie rack so airflow can go on the bottom too, for about an hour to bring it kind of to room temperature, and then I put it in the fridge for another hour, and now we have this perfection Kentucky lemon pie. It's just fabulous, and I can't wait. I know you can't wait. So let's see what this pie looks like on the inside. And it's gonna set up more and become more firm as it cools. It's not like a solid pie like a lemon meringue pie would be. Sorry if my hands are in the way. It's a little more, well, you'll see in 1 second. Okay, so this is reality TV. It's Never going to be the perfect slice, but it is going to be a delicious slice. And we can't cheat anyone, so let's get that last piece of crust in there. And then, of course, what would be a pie without some whipped cream? And there you have it, Kentucky lemon pie. Not too sweet, not too tart, so absolutely perfect. And what a change for your Thanksgiving dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this pie perfection. Next episode, I have something for dinner that you are going to absolutely love. Thanks for stopping by. You can share your recipes or make requests by joining my Facebook group. Have you made one of my dishes? I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram or on Facebook. I'll see you in the next video.